Hello guys, welcome to Gaurav's Art and Craft World. I'm Gaurav and today I'm going to show you a beautiful Maa Laxmi clay mural painting. At first, I'm going to take a canvas board where I have already made some outlines. Now take some clay and stick it on the canvas with the help of glue to make different parts of our body. To make her hands and leg, you have to roll the clay in this way. Now stick them on the canvas one by one. After sticking clay on the canvas, you can use water to make it smooth. Using clay modeling tools to make her fingers. Now in this way I'm making some paddy plants which she is holding. Now make a drop shape in this way and stick it on the canvas to make her foot. Now take a dough of clay and make her face in this way. Using a dot painting pen to make her nostrils. To make her eyes, make two small drop shapes. Now make her crown in this way. Using modeling tools for more detailing works and designs. Now take an empty pen and make her eyeballs. Now make her hair in this way. After completing this, start making her jewelries. Now I'm using a Chakla Belan to make her clothes. After completing this, stick it on her body. Now remove the extra part in this way by using a cutting tool. Now by using the same tool, draw some lines to make the folds of a sari. To make the petals of the lotus, make some drop shape and stick it on the canvas. After completing this, also make the other flowers, buds and the leaves in the following manner. To make the owl, you only have to make a drop shape and a clay ball. Now make the face in this way. For feathers, you only have to draw some small lines in this way. So guys, our clay work has completed. In the next video, I'm going to color this painting. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.